That's right, Unaria, you guessed it, yard and garage sailing. So if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show, because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh yeah, let's get it.
Boy, let me tell you what, I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too.
All right, nothing at that sail, but I think there's another one right over here. What is that sign telling me? Nah, it can't be. Let me see. Lakeson, yeah, it's the same one, and I already went to that one. All right, so onto the main road we go. I think there's a bank over here. Oh man, let's see. Is it here? I don't know. Yeah, it is. Alright, always look behind you, people. Always. There it is. Right there. Perfect timing. Right, time to hit the sails. Let's do this. All right, just leaving that house. It was actually an estate sale. Nothing in there, and man, holy moly, talk about high prices. Prices were outrageous. Like above retail. Can't be doing that. Anyways, I'm off to the next one. In Clearwater. Also, a lot of you have been asking, what do I carry inside the EDC bag there? What am I EDC in that yard sailing bag? If you guys want to check that out, leave a comment below and I'll do a video if you're into that kind of thing. Hey, shout out to these trucks. All right, take a left. Hey, shout out to that guy fishing. He's behind the can. Beautiful spot. Down there is Clearwater. Actually, I am in Clearwater, but I'm gonna pass the border soon, going into Dunedin. Beautiful area. So I just came off of a street over here, and there was nothing there at that yard sale. Just random household items, knickknacks, etc. Nothing of interest. Here we go, here's the border. So going from Clearwater into Dunedin. Actually, there's the sign right there. See it? Hey, shout out to these people, keeping fit. Yeah. All right. garage sale off of this street. Oh shit, these birds, suicidal. Wow. Glad I was awake. You're dying to go swimming, huh? Alright, I think it's gonna be over here. Look, all these cars over here. It's gotta be. Let's see. Look at this house, jungle. Look at this. That's crazy. Wow. It's nuts. That ain't the house though. Oh, here it is right here. Oh yeah, right here. Ooh, I see a lot of good stuff too. Let's see if I can just turn around quickly and park over there somewhere. Good morning. Excuse me. Yeah, so far what I've been grabbing, a lot of electronics. Oh, I don't want that messing up the turntable back there. Shout out to all the Cutco knives. For this thing right here. They're gonna come with this thing right here? Yeah. This is missing it. It's still missing some parts, but I can't find it. Whatever goes there. Yeah, the chain. Check this area out. How cool is that? All right, going back to the shop. Been a long day. 1:49, sun's out, 90 degrees. If you can see that, it's a hot one. But I'm not afraid of the heat. It's just a long day, and without eating, it takes a toll on you. All I have is this so far. And this is actually a protein shake, and it is kind of filling, but nothing beats a good old meal. All right, back in the shop. Boy, oh boy, what a long day. I have tons of items here. It's going to take me a while, so I'm just going to go real fast and get this over with, because I'm literally sweating in here. It's about, I'll show you right now. It is hot in here. There we go, right there. 90 something degrees. All right, so first things first. Oh, you know what? Before we start, if you're interested in any of this gear that I'm about to show you, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at full time, at Full Throttle, and we can go from there. First things first is an acoustic 601 SE. It's about 600 watts. It's a car amplifier. I will be furbishing and cleaning out all this gear, by the way. So don't be alarmed by all the amounts of dust and debris and all kinds of other stuff on these devices. Here you're looking at a Curtis Maths or Maths. It's a vintage, I think it's a 1970s tape cassette player. Has the double meters, which is really cool. Nice and clean. They'll look really good. I'm going to replace the belt on here. She needs an overhaul for sure. Speaking of an overhaul, Magnavox. Nice little boombox radio, right? This one's going to need a little bit of cleaning, and it definitely needs a new belt as well. Below that, another Magnavox, but this one's a DVD recorder. So how cool is that? You can record anything on here. And the cool thing about it, it's got the remote. So that's that. Now we're getting to all kinds of knives. Got a lot of knives to go through. So first one's a Charade, and it's an OTF. If you don't know what that means, it means out the front. It needs a repair job. As you can see, that tip is broken. I guess that's going to be one of the refurbish, maybe a restore video upcoming. Has a release button there. Slide it back. Ready for action once again. It also has a safety and the good old glass breaker. I'll go to these Cutcos. I got a few models here, different ones. Cutco has a lifetime warranty. This one's a spatula. Looks like it's never been used. I'll take it out of its sleeve. Second one that came across with this. And as far as this is very easy to clean up. I just use my good old buffer, buff everything out, shine everything up back to how it once used to be. So there's those 3 little units there. That'll be sold as one pair. I have here a Barlow. This one's by Colonial over in Providence, Rhode Island. I should have opened up the pen knife, but you can pretty much get an idea what's going on. This one's the plastic handle, I believe. This one's a little more intricate. Got another Barlow. This one's Cutmaster. That's it. Pen knife there. I like this one. It's nice. Here I have a case knife. Man, somebody ground the crap out of that main blade. It's a shame, but it still has value. Has a little chip right there in the corner. That was probably done a long time ago. Where is it? There it is right there. Yeah, that looks old, right? Nice action too on this one. So that's that. This one, I think it's an electrician knife, but it's by what is that, Cutmaster? Wood handles. Really nice knife, nice action on it. Secondary blades in there, and of course the release is this little lever here for the second blade. Oh, I want to cut myself. It doesn't snap back, but it needs to be lubricated. This one's another Barlow by Sabre. Nice little bone handle on there, and the action's really bad. Needs some lubrication, or that pin is just too tight. Centered though, nicely. So that's that. This is pretty interesting. I'm not sure if it works yet or not. It should, but it has a beautiful blue dials. Nice face. Here's the rear, no engraving. I paid up for this. There we go. Okay, second. Nice little lighter with a clock in it. 2 items in one, right? A lighter, and you can tell time. It's marked and all that. See those numbers there? Numbers down. I forgot where it was. I think it was just there. Oh, there it is. Numbers there, there, and yeah, it needs a flint, and I need to repair it. Got this all brand new. Came with all of these. Since there's so much to go through with this, I'll just make it real quick. This is basically a Technics CD changer. Okay, you can check it out. Oh, it's not zooming in. It's the lighting back here. There we go. It's a nice little unit. Below that, a Marantz. Did I say that right? Another 5-disc changer. And then below that, this one's really cool. It's a Pioneer CD recorder. So that one's a really good one. And then this one is just a cheapie, but still a goodie. Disc player. So that's that for these electronics. Speaking of electronics, walk with me over this way. And I have here 2 more items. Let me zoom out. There we go. You can't see it, but basically that there looks like this unit here, but it's a Pioneer. It looks just like this. but it's a Pioneer. It's a really good one. So that's the model. It's in really good condition, in original box. It's really nice. And lastly, a turntable. And guess by who? Dual. This is the entry level Dual for back in the day. And it's a really nice one, actually. I'm going to go through it, get it all nicey nice working. And, you know, somebody's interested, hit me up. And she'll be yours. The cover is in decent shape. The only thing is, it's a little crack right there. But it doesn't even look like a crack. What do we call it? I don't know. I'm trying to see. I'd say it's a crack slash... Yeah, it's a crack. Let's call it a crack. Yeah. So, that's it. That was actually a lot of stuff. Actually, no. I'm lying. That's not it. Records. And record. And a record carry case for a DJ. Vintage. 1980 something to 1990s. Different person. It wasn't the same person. So here I have just some cassette tapes. It's not even worth showing you these, but I only got it because of the case. Very nice case, but it does need to be cleaned up. I don't know. I can't even open this right now. I'm just going to go through a few real quick so you can get an idea what's going on. They seem like they're in rough shape, but they've just been sitting in the garage for a long time. But I have here a lot of rock. Rock. And a little bit of comedy, huh? Not much comedy. Probably like 3 records that I've seen. I still have to go through all this and see what's up. And last box. You're probably not going to be able to see. Yeah, they're all over there. They're all mismatched as far as like the face. So I'll just pull a few random ones. That. See, that's backwards. You get the idea. I have no motivation. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sweating here like crazy. Literally, my sweat's going inside my eyes and burning up. It's a hot one. All right. What's this? Oh, Iron Maiden. Look at that. That's a nice little design there. I think I had a shirt like that in the 90s. What's this? 2 more. Come on. So what's that? Blue Oyster Club Cult? Blue Oyster Cult. Interesting. So there you go. I guess I'll be showing these throughout my my Instagram. It's just too much to go through right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. It's been a tough one today. I gotta go inside, take a shower first things first, and then I'll come out here and grab a few visas. And I don't know where to start. It's too much. It's way too much. A lot of projects to come. So stay tuned. You guys have a good one. Cheers.